Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram QR codes. If you are using Instagram and you want to create Instagram QR codes for your own profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile option in the bottom right. Now from here you just have to select this share profile option. Now here you'll get a QR code using you can easily open your profile from any account. So if you want to customize it, so you can easily do that. So here you can see you have to select a color option. You can select different background colors by tapping on any empty place on your QR code screen, or you can also tap on this color option. And here you'll see the emoji section. You just have to tap on any emoji or any empty place to select the emoji which you want to set for background. So let's say I'm going to select this one. It will completely change your background, also your image or your QR code, or you can easily select any emoji from here. So let's say I'm going to select this one, or you can also select this one from here, which one you want to. Or here's the option of emoji. You must have to tap on emoji again. It will be changed into selfie. So just select or tap on an empty place, and you have to retake your selfie. So once you have taken your selfie, it will be saved for background or for these emojis. It will be replaced by these emojis here, or you just tap on selfie option, and here you can see the option of image. You just have to tap on the place or select the customize image option, select change background, and you have to simply select any image from your camera roll. You can also select different categories. So you have to select an image. Let's say I'm going to select this one. So it will be set it up. You can also select this blur background option. So your background will be blurred. Just tap an image option again and you will get the color section. So once you have done, you just have to tap on this download option. It will be saved to your camera roll, or you can also tap on this your profile to get different share options. So you can share it with your iMessage, with your WhatsApp, Facebook, or also with your Instagram again. Or you just have to tap on this copy link. Your link will be copied. You can paste your link on Instagram or any of your page that you want to share. Or the scan QR code option. You can easily use this scan QR code option to scan anyone's profile QR code. So in this way, you can easily create your own Instagram QR code. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.